In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to your Wix website. Whether you're new to website building or looking to enhance your site's capabilities, associating an email address with your Wix site is an essential step. It not only helps improve communication with your visitors, but also adds a professional touch to your online presence. Let's jump right in and get started with this simple and effective process. First, you'll want to go to Home on the Wix website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login details. Once you've accessed the homepage, you'll see an option that's Your Profile icon. This is generally located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile reveals a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options. What we're looking for is Account Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to manage various elements of your account, so it's an important area to be familiar with, especially for tasks related to personalizing your site. Upon clicking Account Settings, the next area you want to navigate to is Business Email. This will navigate you to the part of Wix that deals with email management, which is crucial for connecting your email service to your site. Once you're in the Business Email section, you should then look for and click on Connect a Domain. This step is crucial because to link your email to your Wix site, you must have an active domain connection. If you haven't already connected a domain to your website, take some time to do that first, as it's a prerequisite for email connection. Connecting a domain essentially means linking your website to a unique web address, crucial for managing your emails and ensuring your site's online visibility. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Wix to complete the domain connection process. Once that's done, you're all set to establish an email link. Having your domain connected properly makes sure that emails sent to your connected site look professional and are routed correctly. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your email to your Wix website. Remember, having a professional email linked to your site not only builds trust with your visitors, but also streamlines communication, making it easier for you to manage inquiries, respond promptly, and maintain an organized inbox. This small step is a big leap toward enhancing the credibility and functionality of your website. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope you found it both helpful and easy to follow. Keep exploring Wix and unveiling the numerous features it offers to enhance your site.